Hi there, students. To blackball, all one word. Okay, to blackball is to reject a candidate by a secret vote or a secret ballot, especially somebody who is an applicant for membership for a private club. I think they probably still do this, but if somebody wants to join a private club, then they have a secret vote and the members of the club put balls in a bag. And if there's one black ball, or in some cases two black balls, people who voted no, then the membership of that person is rejected. Okay, all of that is very technical, but we still use this phrase to blackball today, meaning to exclude somebody from a group, socially or commercially, to blacklist them, to ostracize them, maybe to send them to Coventry. So, for example, he made some very racist comments in the pub and he was blackballed. They didn't tell him to leave the pub, you can't come back. They didn't ban him, but nobody would talk to him. The barman would serve him, but only after everyone else had been served. So to treat badly so that you know you're not a member of the group, and at the pub you probably then go and find another pub where you're welcome. So to blackball, to show somebody that they're not welcome. He was blackballed by the group of parents because he wasn't of the same social class. So they didn't invite him to the parties, they didn't talk to him, they just ignored him. Yeah? So it's like to expel from a group. Yeah? I think we should blackball companies that pollute the environment, boycott. Okay, notice to blackball here, it's not to do something officially, it's to do it unofficially. It's the attitude of the group. They ostracize this person. If our company breaks this code of conduct, we will be blackballed by all of the other companies who are our competitors. They won't deal with us, they won't do us any favours, they don't want anything from us. He went to work during the strike and was blackballed by the members of the union. So nobody would talk to him, nobody would drink with him, no one would buy him a drink in the bar, etc. Okay, so he's been expelled from the group, kicked out if you like, but unofficially. Let's see, notice to blackball, it's probably quite informal, maybe a 5 out of 10 informality, but it does sound quite posh. So maybe it depends which pub you're in if you use it. I mean, to blackball, to send to Coventry, to kick out of the group, to turn your back on, or more formally, maybe to shun as well. Notice as well, to blackball is a regular verb. He was blackballed. They blackballed him. Okay, so to blackball, to reject a candidate who wants to be a member of a club by a secret vote where people put balls in a bag, and if there are 1 or 2 black balls in the bag, these are 2 negative votes and you can't join the club. But then we go to this metaphorically, to ostracize or to exclude from a group. Okay, maybe because of social class, maybe because of your accent, maybe because of the way you act, maybe the way you dress. Okay, notice it can be both socially and commercially. The other antique dealers will blackball me if I do that. I really can't do it. Okay, so to blackball. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To blackball.